Hi, my name is Dr. Matea Pola-Soto. I'm a naturopathic doctor in the Los Angeles area, and the focus of my practice is on nutrition and lifestyle counseling. And in this video, I want to talk about how to reduce swelling. I've had quite a few women coming in with this issue, and I wanted to share some simple tips that you can do at home. Now, I want to preface this by saying that there can be many causes of swelling in the body, and so we definitely want to get at the cause. But the other day, I had a lady call me. She was in remission for cancer, actually. She had had lymph cancer, but the tumor, she went under treatment and the tumors were almost shrunk down to nothing. But she called me and said, I went on some nutraceutical, like some supplement that somebody told her to take, and all her lymph nodes blew up and were swelling all over her body, and she was in a panic. It was like 9:30 at night. So there wasn't much we could do in terms of availability. So I want to share this because it's just so simple. I had her go to the grocery store, her daughter, and get parsley tea. Just parsley, like regular old Italian parsley that you'd cook with, put in soup. And she didn't even have a juicer. I just said boil water and steep it for 5 minutes and then just drink a cup or two. And she did that. She called in the morning. Now, I wasn't expecting a dramatic response, but all the swelling went away from her body. So it was just a demonstration to me of how simple. Sometimes it's so simple to heal the body with nature's remedies, like healing foods and herbs can really solve problems. Now, that was an example of cancer. But then the following week, I had a lady come in with swelling in her legs, and they hadn't found anything wrong with her other organs, like her heart or anything. But the doctor told her for her swelling in her legs, to walk around the block. I was like, okay, doctors out there, like when you're a lady and your leg is a water bag, I don't really want to walk around the block with my water bag. It hurts. It can be really painful to have swelling in the body. So my number 2 tool is dandelion leaf. I like to use it as a tincture, but you can also get tea. They do sell tea bags of it. This is it's a leaf. The root is very well known for healing the liver, so that will not give you the relief of swelling. So I recommend getting a dandelion leaf tincture. Actually, there's a couple other diuretic herbs that can be used in like a kidney formula that help to flush out swelling in the body. Now, again, we still want to get at the cause and change that, but that can sometimes give a lot of relief. Many women, like I was that type of woman where I would swell, if I eat the wrong foods, if I eat sugar, if I eat anything fried, my body can swell up 2 to 5 pounds overnight. So if you're one of those ladies, it's not fun because your clothes aren't fitting and your rings don't fit, and it's really uncomfortable. And most of the time, this is from the lymphatic system being congested from our diet. So like I said, if you've had a good evaluation from a doctor and it's not a serious problem like your kidneys or your heart, it's usually lymphatic stagnation, which is something that doctors don't diagnose. They don't really treat until it's, like I said, an advanced stage like cancer. But lymph congestion is something that a lot of people live with, and it's because of our diet, because of our lifestyle. And that can go on for years, causing swelling, which is frustrating, and there's no real disease going on in the body. So home remedies and simple things can treat it and help keep it in balance. But not to minimize the potential effects of it. It can lead to disease states. But sometimes these solutions can give you relief. So the dandelion leaf is my favorite simple herb, and these are inexpensive. This is $3. You can probably get a dandelion leaf tincture for $12 to $30. Many times the stores have it the leaf mixed with the root, which is okay, but if you get the leaf itself is the best. Then the other thing, because swelling is often caused by the lymphatic system, I use what's called lymphagogue herbs. They stimulate the flow of lymph in the body. And my favorite is ceanothus, which is red root. And you can make tea. I use a tincture. It's this pretty red color. It's very nutritious for the body, and it helps the lymph system. What I also wanted to talk about is cleansing the lymphatic system. The other thing that can really help with swelling is to do, I call it an alkaline bath. That also stimulates the lymphatic system. I use Epsom salt with baking soda. I use 2 pounds of each in my bath, and then I'll mix essential oils with it. I use lavender, juniper, Purberry, and cypress. Those are my favorite essential oils for cleansing the lymphatic system. I might use 2 to 3 drops of each, mix it with the salt and the baking soda, and then put it in your bath. You don't have to have the essential oils. You can just use the baking soda. The baking soda has an alkalizing effect on the body, and it definitely stimulates lymph. Most people have lymph congestion when they're sedentary. So when you're not moving the body and you're tired, and sometimes you don't have the will to exercise if you're sick or if your lymph is congested, massage and baths are another way to get circulation in the body and to help the swelling. But that's a simple thing you can do at home that's not that expensive. Also, aromatherapy lymph massage. Getting a massage, any kind of massage, will help the lymphatic system. It doesn't have to be someone specifically trained in lymphatics. I tell people to get a massage, any kind, will help move some of the fluid out of the body. But I do teach people how to do it themselves, because some people can't afford a massage therapist, or they don't have one handy, or they don't have the time. So I teach people how to do that for themselves. But I want to go back to the diet. If people have swelling, I find if they can go off sugar, it can take 5 days to 2 weeks for the swelling to go down in their body. Sugar causes so much inflammation, and it's very inflammatory for the kidneys. And if you go off sugar, you'll start to notice after 3 days, you'll start urinating and peeing, and you'll feel the swelling just come right down out of the body. So I recommend, if you're really puffy and you're really in a congested state, try to do no sugar. Try to have zero cooked fats and processed foods, especially potato chips, French fries. Those are the obvious cooked fats that are unhealthy, but even roasted nuts, and sauteing your vegetables in olive oil. That can be very congesting to the lymphatic system. I whenever there's swelling, just go on a pure diet. Steam vegetables, salad, piece of fruit, boil your rice, bake your protein, nothing cooked in oil. And the other thing is zero alcohol. There's just some people that whenever they have alcohol, they wake up and they've got puffy eyes. So, if you're ready, if you can, if you're willing, going off alcohol will reduce the swelling. But I just wanted to give you these quick and easy tips, my 3 favorite herbs, and give those a try to give yourself some temporary relief. But also, if you haven't been checked out by a doctor, definitely go get examined and make sure that there's more, that you have ruled out that there's nothing more serious going on in your body. But I'm having a program and a course coming out called Heal Your Lymph, Heal Your Life, because it's so important. People don't understand what their lymphatic system looks like, how it works, how they can heal it, and how it can prevent you from getting sick and make you feel better. So I'm going to be teaching that. And I also have a lymphatic massage oil that people put on that can help them prevent getting swelling and congestion as well. So these are a couple health tips. I want you to give me your feedback, ask any questions, and I'm happy to get back to you with more videos like this, and also in my regular weekly Q&A sessions. Okay, thank you.